Have you ever heard someone say that humanity cannot survive without bees? Well, is that true? How much do you really know about bees? Most of us just know the bustling flowers, right? Inside their hives, the place where bees appear the most is flowers. But why do bees always show up near flowers? And next, I'm gonna tell you something you probably didn't know about bees. The bees you can see flying around nature are probably the worker bee. The legs of the worker bee are especially adapted for pollen gathering. Each leg bears a collecting brush, composed of stiff, branches here sit closely together. Oh, and fun fact, worker bees aren't male. They are actually all female. The males don't even collect pollen. When will worker bees flying around nature, the number of chicks will depend on various conditions, including weather, forage availability, strength of the colony, etc. This means they do not go out randomly. Sometimes they don't go out due to the weather, like if it is below 8 degrees Celsius, and fly past between 16 and 30 degrees Celsius. Above 30 degrees Celsius, they slow down and start collecting water to cool the hive. In general, 5 to 15 trips per day are made, while a water collector may make as many as 100 trips per day. But how exactly do bees collect pollen from flowers and carry it back to the hive? First, it lands on the flower spike and crawls along it, moving from one flower to the next. As it walks, it grabs onto the hanging embers and gets to work. It uses its mandibles and tongue to bite and stick the embers, picking out lots of sticky pollen. The pollen gets stinky because it mixes with some fluid from the bee's mouth, kind of like bee spit. But that's not the only way it gets pollen. As the bee moves around, dry pollen also falls off the flowers and sticks all over its body, especially the fuzzy part under its belly and on its legs. So, by the time it's done walking over a few flowers, the bee is totally covered in pollen. Then, it starts cleaning itself. It uses its front and middle legs to gather all the pollen stuck to its body. Bit by bit, it moves the pollen back to its hind legs. Finally, it packs the pollen into special pollen buckets on its back legs, kind of like little storage pockets, and once it's done packing, the bee flies back home. So now, bees don't just fly around randomly. Every trip, every movement is full of purpose, precision, and teamwork. Without bees, flowers won't suffer, and agriculture, ecosystems, and even our food chain will be affected. So next time you see a bee racing by, show some respect.